nung nagsisimula pa lang kayo sa career nyo, ano pa yung pinakamalaking challenge, no? May mga na-encounter kayo nung starting up, ma'am. Yung iba kasi, di ba, parang typical na challenge na na-encounter nila is where to begin, di ba? Naninibago, mga culture shock.
Culture shock.
Kayo, ma'am, ano yung na-encounter yung pinakamalaking challenge? And
Talagang-
how did you manage to overcome it?
Okay, pinakamaliking challenge kasi early on, I was siyempre new in Manila from the province. Pakatapos ng I was working with a firm na parang start pa lang before even before the release of the result, I was already working with a firm. Tapos I visited a classmate na from the province also who was staying with a relative who happens to have a business. So parang sabi niya, "Uy, accountant ka pala. Why don't you help me with my business?" So, syempre, hindi pa ako masyadong, I have no idea yet
Yes.
how it is in the real world, diba? So,
Real world.
sabi niya, business, it's an engineering firm. Help me with it. So, parang yung challenge, parang, hey, can I do this? And yung parang, parang it's quite overwhelming, di ba? From wala ka pang experience and you will be entrusted with lots of big things. So, I took the challenge. So, parang talagang really, I start from scratch. I have to ask for bank statement, reconstruct the records and everything. So, nagawa naman. I was able to set up the accounting records, the financial statement, and from there they were able to apply for accreditation with the PCAB. So it was given an accreditation, was able to move. Started from a less than $1 million capitalized company to which was after several years it became money and was able to be issued a A category on the construction. So parang yun ang biggest challenge. At overcome ko naman. Parang I thought at first hindi ko kaya, but eventually I was able to.
So,
Inspiring.
tinake ni ma'am yung challenge na kahit na hindi niya pa alam paano gagawin.
Yes.
So,